How are you doing?
Oh, hello. Keith from Evoque.
Yes, so this is the Bandit 4,000 watt motor. So when we turn it on, it's got a couple different things that some of the other units don't have. So right up on our unit, obviously, it remains in park until you press the brake. This is your battery heat and this is your controller heat. So you know what's going on when you're actually using it.
Does it have a shut off if it gets too hot?
It doesn't have a shut off, but it allows so people, because sometimes people will just plug bikes in when they're really hot, even though the batteries have the intelligence. Yeah. It's really not good for the batteries. It also has this funky little screen where you can change all of your internal functions however you would like it. You decide to change the wheels, you can change the wheels levels, everything along those lines as well.
So this is the Bandit?
This is the Bandit.
It's $55.99.
Yeah, $53.99.
$53.99. So this is going to compete with the Talaria, not even the X3 Pluro, and because we're going to pull one out and we'll do a side-by-side. And you're thinking more of the MX-5?
Yeah, so we've taken this one out against them. It doesn't have the initial pull speed, obviously, that the MX-5 has off the line, but it'll catch it on the road. Okay. It freewheels at 135.
But load?
Load 108. Yeah.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Because this is a 72 volt, not a 60 volt.
No,
like
it's a 7240.
Okay, you keep talking. I'm gonna go grab an X3 Pro.
Yeah, that'd be great. It's a big size bike for big people, right? So it's not the smaller It also has here regenerative braking, 3-stage regenerative braking, so you can see it up here. So if I turn it back off, it has your 3-stage regenerative braking. Okay, 3 different modes as well. So you start in eco mode, XC, and then sport mode. And everybody always wants to see this. So this is your freewheel speed. That's 135 freewheel speed. Real speed under load is probably going to be about 108, depending on the size of the individual. The colors that we're coming in is going to be in the black, and then black with silver attachments to it, like silver streaks down it. Yeah. And we're also coming out with a full decal package for people as well. Okay. So that way, if you buy it in black and you want to change it to red, you can just throw the decals on it. If you drop it, you don't have to worry about replacing anything. Just get new decals. Put them right back on it as well. Are we missing a plate here, or is this how it's supposed to be? That is how it's supposed to be. All right. Yep. So the battery itself is in here. Oh, and you can remove it. Yes. So it's a fully convenient, removable, easy battery, fully covered as well. Yeah. With your full seat, similar to this as well, as you would for a BMX or off-road seat. Right. So just slide back in here. Signals too. Yes, so that was the other thing I was going to get. So 17-digit VIN. Yep. And signals. So very much like your Calvin, and also for anything that is off-road, as far as a snowmobile or those, you can plate it to cross the road with it, so you don't have to trail it somewhere. Yeah. So it's girthy. Big difference. Yeah.